desktop is slow, so this video is for you. So in this video we will show you how you can speed up your laptop or desktop within 1 minute by cleaning the temporary file from your machine. So let's see how we can do that. So just click on start menu, search notepad, open it, and you have to paste this code over here. I will share this code in the description also. You can, if you want, you can copy paste. Okay, or I will pin this in the comment section also. You can copy from there. Okay, so once you paste, go to file, then save as, and then select desktop or any other location wherever you want to save. From here, just select all, and over here you have to give a name, like for example, for me I'm adding temp.bat. Okay, so extension name should be bat.bat, and file name you can set anything. Okay, so the extension should be .bat, and then over here you have to select all. Okay, and then click on save. So now you will see one bat file is created on my desktop, and now I can close this file. So what you have to do, you just need to right click on this file and click run as administrator. Okay, so then click on yes if it is asking. Then we'll see that cleaning temporary file is done. So within 1 second only it has cleaned all the files from your machine, and you will see that your machine is working fine now. All the temporary file is deleted, and it is asking press any key to continue. So once you press any key, it will close, and you will not see any slowness or lag on your machine. And if you have any doubt, comment below. If you are facing any issue, we will definitely help you. And if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.